In this video, I'm going to show you how to go back to the old Instagram layout. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is go back and we need to uninstall Instagram first. So click and hold down Instagram, click on uninstall, and then it'll say, do you want to uninstall this app? Go ahead and click on OK. So we've got to make sure Instagram is not on our mobile device anymore. Then from here, we need to open up a web browser. Then from here in Google, go to Google and type in Instagram older version and then click on enter. Then from here, we want to go ahead and go to instagram.en.softonic. So download Instagram for Android older versions. So this is where we can find the older versions of Instagram. So you can see the different versions they've got here. So you can scroll down, depending what version you want, just go ahead and download it. So say for example, I want to get a real older version. So I'm going to keep scrolling. Going to say get this one here, so I'm going to click download. Now it's going to say your download has started. So from here you want to go ahead and open up your downloads and then open it. So go ahead and click on download, downloading file, give that a few moments depending on your internet connection, should only take a few seconds. Now click on open, then it will say, do you want to install this app? Yes you do. So click on install. Now that's going to install that older version of Instagram. And then once it's installed, you should get this message, Instagram app installed. Go ahead and open it up. Then from there, we want to go ahead and log into our account. And that's how to revert back or remove an Instagram new update and revert to an older version.